The rising levels of outdoor air pollution spurred by vehicle emissions, fossil fuels, and industrial gases is enough to make you want to stay indoors. But surprisingly, even the indoor air isn't as clean as we'd like to believe. Hi viewers, and welcome back to Bestie! Indoor air can often be 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. With an estimated 90% of people spending their time indoors, this is a big deal. Poor air quality can threaten your health and mood. It has been linked to serious diseases like asthma, fatigue, and lung disease. But there are ways you can improve indoor air quality, and in today's video we'll tell you what they are. From keeping indoor plants, adopting a no-shoes policy, ventilating, avoiding strong fragrances to reducing carpeting and more. Watch till the end to learn about all of them. Number 1. Adopt a no-shoes policy. While doormats can help reduce dirt, germs, and other pollutants from getting inside, it's always better to adopt a shoes-off policy in your home. Dirt and toxins aside, researchers found 421,000 units of bacteria on the outside of the shoe. This can lead to a number of infections including meningitis, diarrheal disease, pneumonia, and a rare cause of infections in the respiratory tract and wounds. Would you ever go with a no-shoe policy inside your home? Tell us quickly down below in the comment section. Number 2. Don't smoke indoors. Some indoor air pollutants can kill. Among the most dangerous is secondhand smoke. Thousands of children are hospitalized or sick with respiratory tract infections each year, and smoke puts older adults with heart or lung illness at higher risk for health problems. Since cigarettes are so harmful, never let anyone smoke inside your home. There is no safe level of secondhand smoke. If someone has to do it, make sure it happens outside. Number 3. Install a carbon monoxide detector. Carbon monoxide poisoning claims the lives of over 400 people each year, and thousands of others become ill after exposure to the odorless gas. Early symptoms might resemble the flu, but look for these differences. If more than one family member has symptoms, even your pets, and you feel way better away from home, you may have a carbon monoxide problem. Protect yourself by installing a carbon monoxide detector near your sleeping rooms. Also have all fuel-burning appliances inspected by a qualified technician once a year to keep the deadly gas away. Feel like you're missing out? Make sure you join our millions of viewers by hitting that subscribe button and staying up to date on all our great Bestie content. Number 4. Ventilate. Airflow is crucial for good indoor air quality. Getting airflow through your house will remove stagnant air and refresh it. One option is to simply open the doors and windows of your home to rejuvenate the indoor air quality. Of course, if you live in a crowded city, the air outside might be very unpleasant and potentially toxic. In this case, choose the time of day wisely. Early morning or late evening when traffic levels are at their lowest is the best time. However, the best option for getting outside air into your home is a trickle ventilator. These devices allow air from the outside to flow in through a filter that cleans the air of impurities. The kitchen or cooking area is often the best location for these types of ventilators, as cooking is a common way of introducing air pollution into your home. The vents can be retrofitted to almost any building. Number 5. Keep your AC spotless. Air conditioners can really help improve the air quality of your home by drying and refreshing stale air. Almost all air conditioners contain a type of filter that removes impurities and pollen. Like all filters in your home, it's critical to regularly clean them. Number 6. Use beeswax candles. Beeswax candles have air-purifying qualities. As these candles burn, they release negative ions. Pollen, dust, dirt, pollutants, and any other junk in the air carry a positive charge. So, when a beeswax candle is burning, the negative ions released into the air cause these positively charged particles to be sucked into the candles. This negative ion air charging is the way many air purifiers work. Beeswax candles are 100% natural and not only reduce contaminants in your home, they smell good and create a wonderful ambiance. Number 7. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal has been used for decades as a safe way to purify the air. It was used inside gas masks in World War I. Forms of activated charcoal are now present in many types of filters, from recycling air inside nuclear submarines to reducing emissions in cars. Inside your home, activated charcoal can be a fast and effective way to reduce contaminants. It's present in many HEPA filters in your home appliances like vacuum cleaners, air conditioners, or other ventilation. Number 8. Beware of formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is a gas found in many home products, like disinfectants, adhesives, insecticides, and particle board. It is a carcinogen and can cause health problems that include coughing, eye, nose, and throat irritation, skin rashes, and asthma-like symptoms. People with asthma may be more sensitive to formaldehyde. Keep this chemical away from your home by choosing wood panel products that are not made with formaldehyde glue, lumber, or materials. Cigarette smoke is also a major source of indoor formaldehyde, another reason to ban smoking from your home. Number 9. Avoid strong fragrances. Air fresheners, insect repellents such as mosquito coils, perfumes, incense sticks, aroma oils, and candles release organic compounds such as nitrogen dioxide and aerosols. These can irritate the respiratory system and worsen allergies and breathing conditions. Many cleaning products such as laundry detergents, fabric softeners, and floor cleaners contain artificial fragrances which are common air pollutants. Number 10. Kill dust mites. Dust allergies are actually allergies to dust mites, which are microscopic pests that need moisture to survive. Dust mites feed on human skin and live in bedding, pillows, mattresses, stuffed toys, upholstery, and carpets. To fight them in your home, try these steps. Vacuum and steam clean upholstered furniture regularly, keep humidity levels below 50% with a dehumidifier, use dust mite-resistant covers, and wash bedding in very hot water. Number 11. Reduce carpeting. Carpet traps unhealthy particles, including chemicals, dust mites, pet dander, dirt, and fungi, and vacuuming can make them airborne. If you do have carpets, use a HEPA vacuum cleaner to ensure better air quality. Hard surface flooring like wood, tile, or cork can be readily cleaned by damp mopping. Number 12. Keep indoor plants. The benefits of houseplants cannot be overstated. Houseplants clean the air. They can actually breathe. They take in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. People and animals take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. By bringing plants into your home, you're creating a symbiotic relationship, filtering the air, creating fresh oxygen, and beautifying your home. Some good houseplants you may want to consider are aloe plant, English ivy, rubber tree, snake plant, bamboo palm, and red-edged dracaena. Apart from these plants, there are many others that are equally good for purifying air indoors. Learn more about them by watching 17 Best Plants for Purifying Indoor Air. Now back to effective ways to reduce air pollution in your home. Number 13. Change your furniture. Many pieces of furniture are made with glues that continue to release toxins into the atmosphere long after they've left the factory floor. This slow release of toxins can dramatically contribute to poor air quality. Choose your furniture carefully to avoid this slow poisoning. Ask what production methods are used and try to avoid furniture made from particle board. Number 14. Use eco-friendly cleaning products. A clean home is less likely to contain dust and other particles that can lower air quality and irritate allergies, but cleaning with the right products is key. Where possible, use completely natural cleaning products such as lemon and vinegar that leave no toxic footprint behind. Industrial cleaners can leave a residue which will affect air quality. Number 15. Make changes in the kitchen. When cooking, keep windows open or exhaust fans on to get rid of cooking fumes. If you have a cooktop with a chimney or hood, cook on the back burners as much as possible because the chimney exhausts this area more effectively. Number 16. Don't forget to dust. Good quality vacuum cleaners are expensive, but they're a powerful force against dust, pollen, and pet hair, all of which can quickly build up and irritate your respiratory system. Vacuum as regularly as you can, including underneath sofas and beds. Bash cushions, rugs, and throws against outside walls to reduce how much dust they're holding. Change your bedding weekly and wash it at 60 degrees to kill dust mites and germs. Keep surfaces clutter-free for frequent dusting, and use a damp cloth to trap those pesky particles. Apart from indoor air pollution, there's another big problem which often plagues houses, and that is rodents and pests. Learn more about how to get rid of them naturally by watching 13 non-toxic ways to get rid of pests and rodents naturally, or 7 ways to get rid of mice permanently and naturally. What's your favorite way to keep indoor air quality clean? Let us know in the comments below.